Hi, this is Thomas. Welcome to the FESTFLOOR channel. In today's episode, we'll show you how to prime a floor before applying microcement. Enjoy watching. Let's go! If your floor has been sanded and vacuumed and you've completed all the other necessary steps to prepare the substrate before applying microcement, this is exactly the right moment to prime it. For priming, we use our product FESTGrunt. It's ready to use, you just need to shake it. How to prime? You can prime the substrate using a roller. You can also use a brush if you prefer. Whatever works best for you. Let's get to work. It can also happen that after priming, when the floor becomes a bit darker, it's much easier to notice scratches that you might not have seen before, so it's worth going over the primed surface once more. Any smaller scratches, or even bigger ones that sometimes get hidden, will be very clearly visible then. At the beginning of the video, we showed you that we poured the primer into a paint tray, but if you have a large open space where you're not worried about splashing anything else, you can simply pour the primer directly onto the floor. That's also a good option. If you're priming, don't do it with a dry roller. It doesn't make sense. The roller needs to be generously soaked with primer so the floor is properly primed. As you probably expected, priming isn't difficult, and nothing here was likely a surprise to you. At this point, we're saying goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video. Leave us a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.